I'm making the clear slime.
And I'm making the fluffy slime.
All right, let's get into it. All our ingredients right here.
Glue! Art with Miss Adams for this glitter, this beautiful glitter.
Thank you.
I might add a little more. Did you shake it?
Did you shake it?
Bruh.
Mix it up. Add some.
Should I add it?
I mean,
Huh?
Do you die from drinking borax?
Bruh.
Oh, there's a hair!
Oh, I'm going in.
I guess I'm going in.
Why not?
The goo. I need more.
Why are you using? Yo, there's
Brother,
Comment down below who do you think is gonna have the best slime?
hard, but like. Hold it like.
Stop! Flip the camera around here.
Thanks for making slime with us. Just know that you're never too old to make slime. See you next time, PMHS.